Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Rivals is updated, and you've chosen a dedicated key or mouse button for auto shoot. Open the game's controls menu. Enable custom keybinds if needed. Once done, assign the auto shoot toggle to that spare key and save settings. Make sure your controller or mouse software isn't overriding the bind. You're preparing the environment so the auto shoot action will register reliably when you activate it mid-match. You now define how auto shoot behaves by choosing in-game options or creating a simple macro. Configure fire rate, burst length, and any initial delay so the weapon fires in controlled bursts. Once configured, test inside a practice match and watch recoil and spread. Change delays or burst size to match weapon characteristics. Make sure the macro uses slight randomized delays to avoid mechanical patterns. If you use third-party tools, keep profiles limited to avoid conflicts with anti-cheat rules. You finish by locking the profile and saving a backup of your control file so settings survive updates. Play a few full matches to validate consistency across maps and network conditions. Tweak burst timing for high latency if shots cluster oddly. If auto shoot stops working, first rebind the key and restart the game, then disable overlays or input software that may intercept key events. As a single troubleshooting tip, try a different.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.